Yo, what's up, man? Welcome back to Crucial RC. Uh, just want to say thanks, man, to everybody out there. I just realized that I hit over 1,000 subscribers. So big ups to everybody out there, man. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. Just want to say thanks for that. All right. So over 1,000 subscribers. We got more content coming. I know it's been hard, man, for me and for you guys. With this whole winter going on. It's hard to get any kind of run videos for you guys. I'm trying. There's more coming. Right now, I live in Maryland, in the U.S. These are the months where it's cold, snow, rain, all that good stuff. It's now March, middle of March. So hopefully, like I said, we got some more run videos coming. I got big block, small block. Hopefully some races going on as long as this COVID stuff is all good. But stay tuned. Like I said, appreciate it. I got more coming for you guys. Like I said, just doing maintenance right now, getting everything ready. I've been dealing with these Baja, the Baja Dragster. Y'all saw the video of the rail. Looks like everybody liked that. I liked all the comments on that. It really was no words necessary on that video. Just show it and just let it soak in. So let me show you what we're dealing with now. Like I said, it's March now, so like I said, weather's getting better. I gotta get these dragsters ready for test and tune, and getting some heat through them, right? So let me show you where we're at, right? All right, so here we go. Here is the Baja dragster, right? It's pretty much set up. Got a little bit of wiring I need to straighten up underneath here a little better, but it's in there. Right, so we got the we'll do a little overview on this thing. Right, Bartolone pipe, torpedo pipe. Right, I need to get this ceramic coated or something. Got the BRP wheels. Man, I don't know what's going on with the Genesis on-road slicks. That's what I was waiting on, but they haven't, they haven't done anything for it. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if anybody knows any information on that, man. Drop a comment below. Figure out what's going on with RC Max and these Genesis wheels. All right, so we got the Sendit RC throttle servo and steering servo installed. All right, we got brand new Bartolone 34. All right, so thanks Chris for this. I appreciate it. So I gotta get some heat through this. I have not started this up yet. Got to get some heat through this. All right, we got the outerwears on here, right? I didn't go crazy with the outerwears on this because this is street car only, right? So we got the fuel lines all hooked up. This top plate was a beast. Now, BoneHead made this thing. BoneHead, my man Dean at BoneHead, he did a vicious job on this. I mean, it's thick. I think this is 4 mils thick top. It is a pain in the ass to drill anything or to notch or anything. So I had to do some work on this. Now, like I said, this is the Dragster RC chassis, so it's a little shorter than the stock chassis, so I had to do a lot of customizing on here, right? I had to open this window. I had to put a window in here actually to open it up for the throttle servo, because that was the throttle arm, the steering arm was hitting the top plate, so I had to do a little bit of maintenance on that, a little bit of cutting. We had to do a little bit of cutting back here for the lines to come out in the vent. Yeah, do a little bit of cutting, right? Had to do some cutting around these brackets, but it came out good. I can't really complain on that joint. All right, this is a Spider competition short air filter. All right, like I said, once again, this is an on-road car, so I run these on my off-roads too with the outerwears, and they work good. So like I said, I'm not gonna run an outerwear with this, but what complements this best, the Bartolone best, with this Spider RC, I believe, composition air filter, and it comes in 3 inches, and this is the, I think, 2-inch high stack air filter. We got the Bartolone air filter intake on here. All right, all BoneHead carbon fiber everywhere, all the gold carbon fiber, even the carbon fiber in the wheels, BoneHead. All right. All right, we got the Killer RC on-off switch here. All right, did a little bit of drilling on that. We got that in there. We have the quick fuel Dubro kit here for the tank. There we go, right there. This is a little quick fuel kit that I got to hook onto the fuel tank. All right, so this will go on the end of this, and then we have this set up for a 3S lipo. Did a little bit of soldering here. As you can see, I got the soldering station out. Did a little bit of soldering here. You know, got to work on that. So we got that all set up. That's good to go. We got the BRPs all on. All right. What else we got? We have Dragster RC front bumper, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. Got a little project coming for this too. So y'all stay tuned for that. You know, everything else is, you know, on and on. Like I said, I'm gonna take this top plate off for you. But right now, man, I need to work on this. I need to work on this wing. All right, now this is the BoneHead wing, right? It comes in, was it 1, 2, 4 pieces, right? It comes in 4 pieces. No holes drilled in it. For bracketry, you got to make it yourself. So I got the other pieces here. I'm gonna go get the other pieces here for you guys. All right, I got the other pieces, a side piece. BoneHead, you see the insignia on there? There you go. So I got the side piece here, and then I have the upper part here. Right? Now, in order to make this work, you have to basically come up with your own bracketry. So it doesn't come with any hardware for this thing. I have to actually get my own hardware. So we're about to go. This is the bracket that will go underneath here, like such. And then the side piece will mount to here, and then you'll have another bracket on the side piece that'll stretch over the wing that way, and that'll mount that top wing part. All right, so it's gonna look something like that. All right, but like I said, it comes with no parts, no parts, no pieces, none of that stuff. You gotta make all this work. So thanks, my man Tony. Tony hooked me up with this 3-hole 90-degree bracket, and we about to go run up to Home Depot and get, I guess, a 2-hole bracket or something for the top wing part, the skinnier upper wing part to mount to it. So y'all hold tight, and we're gonna go run to Home Depot. So we're heading out to Home Depot. Yo, I'm gonna tell you, I'm tired as I don't know what. Yo, we've been working 10-hour shifts on my job, 6 days a week. I get Sundays off to really play around and mess around with the RC stuff. I try and do a little bit when I get home from work. Luckily for me, we work early, so we go in at 5:30. So 10-hour shifts for me is 4 o'clock. You know, so I'm able to come home and do a little bit of work. You know what I mean? As a, you know, while you're still trying to juggle the family and all that good stuff. But you know, I'm trying to do what I can for you guys, man. So let's go up to Home Depot and see what we can find. All right, so we got all kind of brackets here. This is the one we need. I think this is the 2.5 inch one, which they're out of, which is cool because I got 2 of these already. I just need a 1 inch one for the top portion. I guess I can go with this. I was hoping to find, you know, 1 inch wide, but I think it's just 1 inch long. So let's see. Guess we'll There really ain't much of a choice here. I guess I can use 2 of these. Yeah, I guess I can use 2 of these for the top wing side by side. I guess that's where we'll go. Grab these. Not too bad in price. I'll probably grab these, and yeah, these are stainless. And then I'm gonna grab a couple of these 4-inch ones. The 2-inch joints, 4-pack. I'll grab these also. And we also need some tie wraps. So I'm gonna get some of these. I'm gonna get some of these joints. Standards. UV tie wraps. And then I'm gonna grab me a box of these. And then we need some cable managers. Get some of these nylon ones. Good to have on deck. See, you know, you need to route some wires and stuff like that. Like they got a 1/2 inch. Got some black ones too. Yep, I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Alright, back. It's time to start wrenching. Yo, I got so many projects going on, man. I got a project going on with Monty that just came out of the blue. I'm actually gonna do a little something. Let's see. A little sneak peek of this jump. You know? Like I said, a little something we gonna try this year for the Monty. We're gonna put the some little laughing gas on her. You know, I just been geeking. I ain't even drove any of this stuff since 2020, really. But like I said, the weather's getting nice, man. I gotta get I gotta get popping, yo. Gotta get popping. So trying to get this RC stuff going, man. Finish getting these all together, and then I'll start wrenching on the G body. I got this one side on. I'm a little worried about this tire, man. A little worried about that. I think I'm gonna hit on any kind of. I put it on the ground, and then it's like I said, these shocks. I gotta put some thicker fluid in there for sure. But as you can see, it's real close, man. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep putting it together and see how it turns out. Like I said, so far what I've done, I've got a couple, you know, a couple holes on here. I just marked the center pretty much of that. Use that bracket that we talked about. All right, talked about these brackets. So I got that down on the bottom, like that. And I just got a couple of stainless steel fasteners on it. And you know, I'm just gonna keep going. You know, I'll put this one on the bottom here. You know, just drill some holes, man. This is simple stuff, yo. Using M5 hardware. Actually, I think this, yeah, M4 hardware. So you know, I'm gonna take this side off, and I'm gonna take this and put this right on top of the other side, so that, you know, then drill the hole straight through, or mark it straight through, and then I know this side will match that side. Then once I do that, we'll take the top piece, figure out where the best spot is for this, see where that matches up, and I think that's where it's gonna sit, like near the back, coming down a little bit from the top, something like that. All right, it shouldn't be that bad. I might have cut a couple brackets up for this piece. I think this piece measures up to like 1 inch, 1.25 inches or something. So I might take one of these, just chop it right there. So we'll see. We got a whole bag of parts over there. All right, so got the splitter. I guess you call this a splitter. The top part of the wing set up. We're going to use these. That way we can kind of angle it down on the car. All right, so here are my marks here. See the 2 gray marks right there for the angle of the splitter. Sitting just like that. So got a slight angle on it. So I'm gonna drill this, you know, drill this one out, this side all out completely. I'll remove this from the wing, and then I'll just set it right on top of the other side, and it should line right up. All right, so here's the original wing. Well, the original side was supposed to be the left side part of the wing. Got the 2 holes drilled out there for the starter holes. All right, I'm just gonna take and put it over top of the other side. Got the holes marked there. And I'll just drill these. And we should be good. Hopefully everything should line up. All right, we got all the holes drilled with the pilot holes. And now we're gonna drill the M4 holes. Now, when you do this, make sure you drill from the side, the finished side. That way when it blows out a little bit, it's on the back side, so you don't really see it. All right? Just a little tip. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this jump was a pain in the butt, yo. I ain't even done yet. Whatever you do, man, I had to slot these holes here, make sure this was perfectly straight at 90 or whatever, 90 degrees. But just so we know, this is not for the lighthearted right here, man. It's just building your own wing. Man, this thing's a pain in the butt. But I think I got it straight now, so we're gonna give it a try on the car. All right, let's see what we got here. Definitely going on a lot better than what it was. What it was these side pieces was at an angle, so it was like real bad. It was actually bowing this top section, but doesn't look bad. Let me get a couple screws in here on both sides, and then we really take a good look at it. All right, guys. Yeah, finally got that joint done, man. This is a pain in the butt. Whoever thought about doing one of these joints, including myself, and lost their mind, yo. Yo, this thing looks awesome. Don't get it twisted. It looks awesome, but it is a project. Let's see, it's 6:47. Man, I've probably been working on this joint about an hour and almost 2 hours now. Yo, it looks really good, but it is a pain in the butt. Would I ever do this again? I don't know. I think I would just get another primal wing, but there will not be anything else like this out there though. So other than that, you know, I'm happy with the turnout of it, but it was a pain in the butt. And now, like I said, the only issue is possibly it hitting here. So I can either do one of two things. If it does hit, which I think it will, I can I don't even think shaving this is gonna help any, but I might have to get some a riser or something to give me a little more, just a hair more. I don't know, maybe another ½ inch or so. Get it up off of there, put a little spacer or something up in there to raise the whole wing up. But all in all, I think it looks sick. It does look good. One tip, like I said, get all your bolts started. I had to make a couple, you know, like ream the holes out so I can get this thing to look a little straighter and, you know, give me that little bit of play that I need. But, you know, other than that, everything looks really good. You know what I mean? I think it turned out real good though. So I'm happy with the turnout, but it was a pain in the butt. Difficulty, 1 out of 10. This is probably, I don't know, maybe around 6 or so, but it does look good. So we are out of here for this video, man. I appreciate you guys, you know, staying through on this. And like I said, man, shout out to all you, 1,000 subs. I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I hope to watch the channel grow. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. All right? It's your boy, Crucial RC, man. I'll holler at you. Out.